Hello, welcome to the video on regression models. In this video, we'll explore what regression models are, how they work, and where they are commonly used. Regression is a supervised learning technique. You give the model examples, inputs paired with known answers, and it learns a mathematical function that maps inputs to outputs. The goal is simple. Given what you know, predict what you do not. The most intuitive form is linear regression. Imagine plotting house sizes against prices. Each house is a dot. The model draws the single straight line that comes closest to all those dots at once. The distance between each dot and the line is called the residual, and the model's job is to shrink the total of those distances to as small as possible. More complexity is not always better. A model that is too simple misses the pattern entirely, that is underfitting. A model that is too complex memorizes the noise in the training data instead of the true pattern, that is overfitting. It scores perfectly on training data but fails badly on anything new. The goal is the middle ground, a model that generalizes. Regression models are the foundation of machine learning. They are interpretable, fast to train, and powerful enough for a huge range of real-world problems. Linear regression for predictions, logistic regression for classification, regularization to prevent overfitting. These ideas run through almost every model you will ever encounter. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.